Wooden furniture is very common in today's household, but as time goes by, it loses its sheen and becomes dull and boring to look at. A little bit of polishing can make your wood furniture look as good as new. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Misha and today we are going to talk about polyurethane polish, which is commonly known as PU polish. A polish is a clear and hard layer on top of your furniture that protects it from dust, scratches and moisture. Some polishes can be applied directly on plywood base and others require a base material like veneer sheet. PU is applied on vehicle nowadays and can be applied on wood as well. A trained and experienced person can bring wonders to a wooden furniture. PU polish can either be water-based or solvent-based. You can choose from a completely matte to a completely glossy finish and anything in between. You can have any color shade of your choice. Since it is a waterproof and easier to clean, it is a wonderful option to kitchens. It leaves a protective coat on the surface and is odorless, quick drying and eco-friendly. It requires very less time and labor to get a good finish with PU polish. It is maintenance free and offers excellent resistance to scratches and moisture. The polish binds the surface and prevents hairline cracks. The biggest disadvantage is the cost. It is somewhat similar to doing veneer with melamine and hence slightly costlier than Duco. Apart from that, PU can also only be done in one solid color. Adding shades and texture is not possible. The basic reason that experts love water-based and solvent-based PU coat is that it gives a superior and durable shine that protects the wooden surface from scratches and stain for a long time. Should I use water-based or oil-based PU polish? If you're looking at durability, then an oil-based polyurethane is superior, but only marginally. There used to be distinct difference between water and oil-based polyurethane when it comes to durability. Today, the differences are minor. Oil-based PU will be slightly more resistant to scratches, moisture and heat when compared with water-based poly. Why use water-based when oil-based offer improved protection? There are three primary considerations: color, odor and drying time. A water-based polyurethane will not add color to the wood and will preserve its natural tone. But on wood such as cherry or walnut, this can be a disadvantage because a straight water-based finish can make the wood look cold and uninviting. Another consideration is odor. Water-based polyurethane is popular because of its low odor and low toxicity. It will give off very little odor compared to oil-based poly, a real issue for rooms with little ventilation. Finally, water-based poly dries a little faster. It is good for bookcases, desks, side table and picture frames. Anything that won't be exposed to extremes. Use water-based if you care about odor and want an easy cleanup. Blistering. This is caused due to loss of adhesion and due to moisture trapped between the surface and paint film. To avoid this, allow the surface to dry thoroughly before painting and keep adequate interval between two subsequent coats. Cracking. This occurs due to contraction of film. Cracking is caused due to incompatibility of the paint with improper thinner or when the paint is applied on an unsuitable primer. To avoid cracking, always use a thinner suitable for the particular paint to be applied. Peeling. Whenever there is a moisture, dampness or improper surface preparation, this can be avoided by proper surface preparation and painting in dry conditions. Blooming. Loss of gloss occurs due to humidity on the surface and climate condition or sometimes due to overuse of thinner. To avoid this, always use thinner only to thin down the paint to spraying consistency. Running or sagging. If the paint coat is very thick, the film may start running down and result in sagging. Avoid thick coats. Brush marks. This occurs due to incorrect application or due to improper brush or due to applying a quick drying paint by brush. To avoid this, always use a spray gun for application of quick drying paints. Patchiness. Whenever the surface is absorbent like wood surface, patches appear while painting. To avoid this, apply sufficient coat of primer so as to fill the pores on the surface. Remember to give adequate time to the primer to dry thoroughly before applying finished coats. It is critical to hire an expert to apply PU polish because although the product is amazing, it can be ruined by improper application. And once applied, the only way to fix it is to remove the polish and apply it correctly. So make sure you hire someone with experience. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please subscribe for more such videos and click on that like button. Until next time, take care and stay safe. Have you not subscribed to my channel yet? Please do it now.